All right, now we're going to start putting things together. We've done individual, translation, reflection, rotation. Today, we're going to be combining some of those together. So that's a composite, also known as a composition of transformations, is a series of multiple transformations performed one after the other. So what we're going to do, we're going to start with the original. We're going to apply each listed transformation in the order that it's given, graph the new images. You can either do them in a new color, or like we're also going to do the primes, double primes, so forth. All right, let's take a look. Triangle KLM has vertices. So 4, -1. There's my K. L, 5, -2. There's my L. M, 1, -4. Boy, this is not a very big triangle. Is that. So there's my KLM. Now, what are we going to do? We are going to rotate this triangle 180 degrees. Okay? So number 1, we're going to rotate 180 degrees. So all these ordered pairs, remember, XY becomes -x, -y. So K prime is going to be -4, 1. L prime is going to be -5, 2. And M prime is going to be -1, 4. So let's graph those. -4, 1, that's my K prime. -5, 2, there's my L prime. -1, 4, M prime. Okay, so that looks good. Rotated 180 degrees. Now we want to reflect it across the y-axis. And so let's get another color here. And we'll go purple. So now we're going to reflect over y-axis. So that's going to be right here, the new image. So this is my M double prime. Let's see, -5, 2. There's my L double prime. -4, 1, 4, 1. Here's my K double prime. Okay, so let's put those ordered pairs down just so we can see. K double prime is at 4, 1. L double prime is at 5, 2. And M double prime is at 1, 4. Okay, now you try. MATH, I love when it spells something, has these vertices. So let's go ahead and graph it. -4, 0, there's my M. A, 0, 2. T, 0, -2. And H, -4, -2. All right, so it is a trapezoid, which means two sides are parallel. Okay, so we have that. First, we're going to translate it left 2 and up 3. So left 2, up 3. There's my M prime. Left 2, up 3. There's my A prime. Left 2, up 3. There's my H prime. Left 2, up 3. There's my T prime. Okay, I'm going to just, we'll just do it right here. M prime now is at -6, 3. A prime is at -4, 2. No, 5. Wait a minute, that's not right. I'm trying to... No? I'm trying to do this algebraically. Minus 2, 3. Minus 2, 3. Minus 2, 3. Minus 2, 3. Okay. Let's try that again. Good. Oops. Let's erase that. Try again. Negative 2, 5. There we go. T, negative 2, 1. H, negative 6, 1. Perfect. Okay. So now we're going to reflect it over the y-axis. So remember that y stayed the same, x has changed. So reflecting over the y-axis, here's going to be my t double prime. Here is going to be my h double prime. My m double prime. And my a double prime. So when we reflect over the y-axis, remember, x changed, but not the y. So m double prime, 6, 3. Oh, no, that was h. Oh, yep. 6, 3. A double prime is going to be 2, 5. And t double prime is going to be at 2, 1. And h double prime is going to be at 6, 1. There we go. Let's see. For some compositions, the order in which you complete the transformation is important. However, there are some compositions which are commutative. That is, order doesn't matter. Go back to example 1 and the U try. Are these compositions commutative, or do you have to stick to the order given? Let's see. So what if we reflected over the y-axis first? So you know what? Let's just graph that. I wonder if, no, I can't do it. Let's try it right here. So let's create coordinate plane here. Let's investigate. Okay, so negative 4, 0, 0, wait, wrong one. Negative, or 4, negative 1, 5, negative 2. 4, negative 1, 5, negative 2. And that was K and L. M, 1, negative 4. Okay, so what we're going to try, the opposite. We're going to do reflect on the y-axis. And then do the 180 degrees rotation. All right, now when we reflect over the y-axis, that's going to give me negative 4, negative 1, negative 5, negative 2, negative 1, negative 4. Let's just go ahead and we're going to draw these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 1. There's my K. 5, negative 2, L. Yeah, they were that close. I remember them that close. And M, 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 4. There's my initial. Now, we're going to reflect it over the x-axis, or y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's my K prime, my L prime, and my M prime. All right, so we reflected over the y-axis. Now we're going to do it 180 degrees. So remember what that's going to do. Let's do this color. It's going to make everything opposite. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. K. 5, 2. L. These are double prime now. And M. 4. Let's see. Do we end up with the same thing? We do. Okay. So example 1 is commutative. That is, when we did it in the different order, it still worked. Let's just do this one algebraically. Let's just do this one algebraically right here. So initially we have, let's see, we have M, negative 4, 0, A, 0, 2, T, 0, negative 2, and H, negative 4, negative 2. So first, we're going to reflect over the y-axis. We're going to do that first. So first we're going to do the y-axis. Remember, that changes the x-coordinate. So this is going to be 4, 0, 0, 2 still, 0, negative 2, and 4, negative 2. Then we're going to do the x minus 2, y plus 3. X minus 2, y plus 3. So minus 2 plus 3. So M double prime is going to be negative 6. Here, let me back that up. I want the equals. M double prime is going to be negative 6, 3. A double prime is going to be negative 2, 5. T double prime is going to be negative 2, 1. And H double prime is going to be 2, 1. Let's compare. Oh, right there. And not commutative. No, not. Maybe example 1 was because it was like the 180 and a reflection, versus the second one, we were moving it around. We were doing that glide. Okay. So which do you think, I think when we have a transformation, it's more likely no. Or not transformation, translation, I should say. Okay, when we're doing that slide, it's probably not going to work.